How to make extra money for rent. But Mr. T may have been clairvoyant after all, or at least he was onto something. Why? Because even though people don't wear much gold anymore, they are certainly buying it in unprecedented amounts today. According to Reuters, consumer demand for gold is off the charts. Gold coin production is being cranked up in mints around the world to satisfy customers believing the assets may be immune to the global financial crisis, note Reuters, citing that demand for the American 1-ounce golden eagle was up 400% in 2008. The demand for gold and silver has been unprecedented, said Carla Kuhlman, a spokeswoman at the U.S. Mint. And according to most experts in the field, the demand for gold, which is teasing the $1,000 per ounce threshold, will continue to rise at hair-raising levels in 2009. Most mints admit that they are struggling to keep production at a level where it can meet the ever-burgeoning demand. Indeed, Gerald Zellant, an iconoclast and futurist with an impressive track record of accurate predictions, is betting the farm that gold will reach $2,000 per ounce by 2012. Why the sudden interest for gold and silver? Well, obviously people are scared. They are scared that the economy will continue to spiral downward, inflation will continue to rise and devalue the dollar, banks will fail and take their money with them, and so on. People just flat don't seem to trust institutions like they once did, and they are converting their hard-earned dollars into commodities of real and enduring value, gold and silver, and keeping it in safekeeping. As people take measures to become reasonably prepared for our uncertain future, and there are a lot of reasons why we should be taking preparation seriously, it is important that we think first about the emergency supplies we should have and then think about the supplies we could have. Hedging your bets on a devaluing dollar is one thing. Starving because you have no food or water stored away in a significant depression is quite another. Why the fire service analogy? Because your limited financial resources should be put through the ABCs of emergency preparedness before you begin buying gold and silver. If you don't, your patient likely will not make it, but in this case the patient is you. For the price of 2 ounces of gold, you can purchase enough ABCs of emergency preparedness to equip you and a family of 4 for 1 year. That's 1 year of food, water storage and treatment capability, necessary survival equipment and off-the-grid supplies. 1 year. That's a lot of insurance for the price of a coin or two.